Welcome to this session on Python libraries in civil engineering context. In this video, we'll see how Python helps civil engineers visualize and analyze construction data using Matplotlib. Let's take an example, a basic bar chart comparing the cost of construction materials like cement, steel, bricks, and sand. We begin by importing the Matplotlib pyplot module, which allows us to create professional charts and visualizations in Python. Next, we define two lists, one for materials and another for their costs in rupees. Using the bar function, we create a colorful chart where each bar represents a construction material and its cost. We then add a title and axis labels to make our chart clear and professional. Finally, using the command plt.show, we display the chart. Now, civil engineers can instantly compare material costs through this simple yet powerful visualization. This example shows how Python and Matplotlib can simplify data visualization in civil engineering. Stay tuned for more applications of Python in the engineering world.
इंपॉर्टेंट लाइब्रेरीज इन पाइथन के आगे के वीडियोस के लिए गौरव सर के चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। थैंक यू।